When you're searching for true luxury on wheels, only a handful of names stand out. And one of those, right at the top, is Entegra Coach. Built for travelers who want more than a motorhome, who want a first-class lifestyle. Today, we're taking you inside one of their premium luxury motor coaches, exploring the exterior design, the living hall, kitchen, bedroom, and of course, the price. The first thing you notice is the exterior. Entegra coaches are designed to look stunning from a distance, and even more breathtaking up close. Precision-painted full-body graphics stretch across the smooth, seamless fiberglass walls. The radiant colors, the metallic accents, the deep clear coat finish. It's a motor coach built like a luxury yacht on wheels. Up front, the bold windshield gives a panoramic field of view. LED headlights, chrome grills, and sculpted body lines make it instantly recognizable on the road. Add in the side cameras, heated mirrors, and automotive-style trim, and this coach truly feels like a luxury SUV, just 40 feet long. Underneath, Entegra's signature Quiet Ride technology, reinforced chassis, and premium suspension deliver the smoothest, quietest ride in its class. Step inside, and the main hall greets you with elegance that rivals a five-star residence. Ultra-soft leather seating, handcrafted hardwood cabinets, and accent lighting create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Large panoramic windows brighten the space during the day, while the LED mood lighting sets the tone at night. Depending on the model, the living hall features heavy checkmark, a power reclining sofa, heavy checkmark, electric theater seating, heavy checkmark, a 50-inch to 60 4K smart TV with JBL sound, heavy checkmark fireplace with multicolor lighting, heavy checkmark heated tile flooring, heavy checkmark and overhead storage finished with real wood. It's not just an RV lounge. It's a luxury living room built for life on the road. Move further in, and you enter the kitchen, designed to serve like a high-end home kitchen. Polished solid surface countertops, tile backsplash, and residential-grade appliances elevate the entire experience. Features include heavy checkmark induction cooktop, heavy checkmark convection microwave/oven, heavy checkmark deep stainless steel sink, heavy checkmark full residential refrigerator with ice and water, heavy checkmark soft close drawers, heavy checkmark pantry with motion lighting, asterisk. This kitchen isn't just functional. It's beautiful, durable, and ready for gourmet cooking wherever your journey leads. The bedroom is where Entegra truly proves its commitment to comfort. A king-size bed with a premium memory foam mattress sits at the center, framed with elegant wood cabinetry and backlit panels. Large wardrobe closets line the rear, often combined with a full walk-in washer and dryer setup. You also get a 32-inch or 40 smart TV, soft carpeting, accent lighting, USB ports, overhead storage, and whisper-quiet air conditioning. It's a sanctuary, quiet, peaceful, and crafted for long-term living. So let's talk price. Entegra luxury motor coaches don't aim for the budget market, and they're not meant to. These are high-end, premium motorhomes built for those who demand excellence. Typical pricing. Class A luxury diesel models, $450,000 to $850,000 USD. Top-tier luxury models, up to $1 million plus. Class C luxury models, $200,000 to $300,000 USD. The exact price varies depending on floor plan, options, technology packages, and year. But one thing stays the same: you're paying for best-in-class craftsmanship, first-class comfort, and unmatched performance. This is the Entegra experience: superior craftsmanship, first-class comfort, and a luxury lifestyle that follows you wherever the road leads. If you enjoyed this review and want more in-depth tours of 2025 and 2026 motorhomes, hit like, subscribe to RV World Reviews, and turn on notifications. Your next luxury adventure begins right here.